welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing amazingly well today. So today, as you can see from the title of the video, I'm going to be doing a fashion haul by the brand Shein. I think that's how you pronounce the brand. So sorry if it's not, I'm dreadful with names of brands. I'm just dreadful with names, period. So I did like a little mini haul. I've never actually purchased from this brand before, and I've seen a few videos over the last kind of 4 years, I think, so I'm very late to the game. But I saw some things that popped up on my Facebook feed and I think on Instagram, and I thought, well, that looked really nice. It's very cheap and cheerful, so I thought, why not get a few things, see what the products are like, if they're any good, if they're actually just cheap tat. And yeah, and here we are. I've just hit my elbow. And here we are. So I thought I would try them on, see what the fit's like. I actually wasn't too sure whether they would be too big, too small, so I got a medium size in everything. So I'm normally a size 8, but I read the reviews and I've seen a few people's comments and they're like, oh no, it's not true to size, go a size up. So I went a size up to what I would normally be. So you'll see in the video everything, and I'll talk you through the items that I bought and obviously my thoughts on them, and I'll insert a picture of them as I'm kind of talking through here of what they look like on me, so it's not a swap and change of the clips. So here we go. I spent £51 in total and I got 5 items, so I'm just going to pull them out, just empty them on the floor, just easier. So what I will do is I'll show them and then I'll insert a picture of what they should look like, and then I'll insert me trying them on, so you'll kind of see what they truly look like, I think. I purchased 3 playsuits, which actually I thought one was a dress on screen, but clearly didn't read it correctly. And I purchased 2 kind of like short crop top loungewear. Sorry, this dress just keeps showing me boobs. I'll start off with the loungewear and then I'll go on to the playsuits. First of all, this is how they come packaged. I was really surprised at how well they came packaged. I don't know whether anyone else was surprised when they purchased this. I think these bags are really good because they're reusable. Like for me, I'd probably use these for toiletries. You can pop them in your bin. I mean, you could literally use it to store a lot of things, and obviously they're resealable, which I like, so bravo on the packaging. So the first thing that I purchased was this grey shorts crop top loungewear, and I got them in a medium, as I said. So I'll insert a picture of what they look like on the website. I actually really like these. I'll insert what they look like on here, the little clip, but I actually really like these. I like the fit. They do look big on camera. Like, does that look bigger on camera to you? But actually it fits really well. It is slightly big for me, but I think a small would be too snug. But it's kind of that fabric where if you wear a size 8 and got a medium, if you're a small size 8, no, but if you're more of a curvy size 8 like I am, I've got a bit more of a bum, then I think this is actually really nice. It fits really comfortably. The fabric's not too bad. Like, I wouldn't say I love it, but I wouldn't say I hate it. Like, it feels a bit cotton, polyester. It's actually not bad quality. The top obviously was slightly too big, but I'm not very chesty. Like, I don't really have much boobs, but it fit really nicely, and I think for bed, lovely. Like, this is definitely something I'll be wearing to bed, and I just found that it was a nice comfortable fit, and yeah, I'm not mad at it. I actually really like these. This cost a total of £8.99 for this set, which I didn't think was too bad actually, especially because I do like it. The second loungewear set that I purchased was this red kind of frill style one, which looked super cute, I think, on the website, but I also think on the website it looked more like the fabric look better quality. This is kind of more like a, you know, that shiny fabric. I don't quite know what it is, but it just feels cheap. I also purchased this in a medium. I think I needed a small in this for sure, but it actually is really comfortable, so I'm not too mad that I spent, this was $11.49. I think the grey one was better quality and it was cheaper. This for me is it's called Space Dye Frill Trim Crop Cami top and shorts. This is just kind of, it's cute, like it looks cute. I think if it was the right size it'd look even cuter because it would fit me nicer. But it is just, yeah, it's just a really kind of, it's that fabric that if you've got like a chip nail or something and you like catch it on here, it kind of gives you like that weird feeling. Do you know what I mean? And it's also got this weird tie on there which actually doesn't pull in anything because it's an elasticated waist. It's just there for show, which is just, I mean, it's not too bad. They're quite cute, but they are a little bit big. I think I would have preferred if they were more fitted, so I think the small definitely in this. So maybe this one is a bit more true to size. But yeah, I think they're cute. It's comfortable. So there's that one. Now on to the play suit. So I first purchased this. It's called a knot strap pocket overall shorts. This is what it looks like. They look a little bit like painting overalls, which I really love the style of. However, this one, it's got threads that you can just kind of pull off it. The sleeves actually go really quite low, so you can see your bra strap. I really do like the look of this. It fits really quite nice. I think it's quite cute for summer. I think when it gets really hot you can wear it with sandals. You could probably put like a little white cami underneath. I do think it's really sweet. It's not made badly. There are like a few, you know, pieces of thread that just seem to like hang off in places. I'm just gonna have to get the scissors on this. So this cost me $11.99, which to be honest it isn't bad. Like it feels nice. The fabric's actually feels like linen, so it doesn't feel like a cheap quality play suit. But yeah, I think it's quite cute. It looks quite cute on. I don't think it's very flattering on the figure because it's quite straight, but if you don't mind that, if you don't mind something that's not completely fitted to your body, which I don't, I quite like something that's a little bit loose, especially when it gets really warm. I kind of feel like I want a bit of air, you know, in places. So it's cute. I think it's sweet and I think it looked nice over a bikini as well. So yeah, there's that one. This one has got to be probably my favourite. This is the Ditzy Floral Flounce Sleeve Belted Romper. This is like the little floral romper suit. I really love the colour of this, which is why I purchased it, because I think with my olive skin, I think it really complements it well. This is really cute. Like it's quite thin, so it's quite light and airy. It actually doesn't feel like it's bad quality either. Like it doesn't feel cheap. And it fits really nice, and I like that there's a belt there. Obviously, I know these straps are going to break, so you're going to have to kind of either sew them back in place or just kind of deal with it, cut them off and just use the belt as you, like wherever you want to tie it. Look at that, I've had to clip this because my boobs keep falling out. Anyway. So yeah, but I think this was really, really cute. This cost me $15.49. This was the most expensive out of all of them, and actually it was really worth it. I love it. I think it's beautiful. And finally, what I thought was going to be my favourite, which obviously I'll insert a picture because it was so cute, actually turned out to be my least favourite, and it was this buttoned romper, which is like this ditzy print floral romper. Actually, I think, I'm not that I hate it because I think it's really beautiful, but it doesn't fit me. This is a medium and actually it's way too big. This is more verging on the 10, maybe a smaller 12. Because the underarms were really big. I mean, even if you were bigger busted, I think this still wouldn't have fit really nicely on. I'm going to have to kind of do something with the sleeves. Obviously, it's got the straps that you can kind of pull in, which I'm really going to have to do to make this at all, you know, remotely nice. I think it fits. It's a really nice fabric and it actually is super, super cute. I just wish that it fit better. I also know if you were a larger size to me, it's not a true medium, but it's not a small. Like if I was, the small to me probably would be too small, but I think the medium is way too big. So it's not true to size for either of those categories, especially for, I mean, for me, obviously if you've got my body shape, everyone's shape is different and wonderful, but for my body shape, it just didn't fit in certain areas that it really needed to fit in. So yeah, I was so gutted because I really loved the look of this. This is the one thing that I saw, and I saw this on the Instagram and it kept popping up, and I saw it on Facebook and I thought I need to buy that because it's just keeps popping up everywhere, and I thought it was super cute, but I was disappointed. This actually cost me £10.99, so it was actually not expensive. So for me, I can kind of, I'll do a bit of sewing and kind of make it fit to my shape. But obviously if you don't have that skill, if you don't know how to do that, then it's not going to be great for you. Like, you're going to get it and you're going to be like, how do I return this? What I did like about it is that the back end, obviously the back of the sleeves, it doesn't show your butt cheeks. Like, I really am not a fan of outfits that, especially rompers, that like they're really high and they show like the edge of your butt. Like, I am not at that age where I want to show any of my butt cheeks to anybody. Like, unless I'm in a bikini or I'm naked for my husband, I do not want to be showing my butt cheeks. So yeah, I don't know, that's what I like about this, is that he didn't do that, so I was quite glad. One of the other things, the buttons are super, super difficult to kind of push through the hole. That's how you know it's probably like quite cheaply made. Like, it was super tough to try and get it in. Even now, like, that is just so tight. I'm gonna have to get my scissors on that and cut that to fix it, because I'm not refunding it. I just can't be bothered, to be honest. That's kind of the point. But yeah, that's it. That is my Shein haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you like more fashion hauls from me, please do let me know in the comment box below. If you want me to do a haul from a certain brand, and please let me know. It's really interesting to hear where you're shopping. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time. Bye.